10,000 tick trap. Pandas. 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 Welcome to the stream. It's been a long time. I hope you guys have been well. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Make sure you drop those GMs in the chat. Hope you guys been trading well without this stream. Hope you guys have been killing it. You must kill or be killed. That's how the saying goes. Pandas. Pandas. Let me know. Let me know. In your journeys, how have you guys been doing? How you guys have been doing? Let me pull a poll up real quick. See how long you guys been trading for.
10,000 tick trap.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Whoo! Hey, pandas. You know what they say? The only thing that matters is your next trade, pandas. That's all that matters right now. Daily chart. We are very close to triggering a second entry short on the daily. Yours truly will most likely take a big mama in this situation here. Second entry long, coming off our trend line, also 20 MA. Problem is that this is a trading range currently, so I'm not entirely sure if I really want to go long here. Bad signal bar as well, and you got I wouldn't really say this uptrend has been established. I think it's still a possible trading range here. Even though you do have 2 points of support here, 20 EMA and this trend line, I think I'm going to hold off. Quality of the signal bar is not good. Also, possible trading range. So, it is what it is, pandas. We did have news at 8:30 this morning. I wasn't expecting the news to drop like this. I wasn't expecting the news to affect the markets this much, but it was enough to pass any single eval, basically. So hopefully, if you took advantage of that, then you are funded. You have just become funded. Pandas. Whoa, we have 7% of people who've been trading for 10 plus years, pandas. We are in the presence of greatness here. Goodness gracious. Let me say good morning to my pandas before our market opens. Mike Richardson, good morning. Futures with Kelly Ann, good morning. Blacklight, welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the one and only Baba Money. Somewhere in the Rockies, good morning. Dom T, welcome. Lou, the writer, good morning. Hansman, good morning. Lee, good morning. Hansman. 3 news. First, yesterday lost 10 PAs where I was in pay. Oh, no. Second, I stick to the plan. Third, 10 new PAs. Thanks, BBM. Let's go. What? You lost 10 that were in Payout City, though? Whoa, what happened? What happened? Hugh, good morning. Hansman, good morning. Jeff, welcome. Tate, welcome. Alex, welcome. Daniel, I'm a baby. You sure are. You sure are. David, good morning. Black guy, I'm not even 10 years old. I'm just getting started. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Daily charter course, second entry short, about to trigger. Let's see here. I had to trade because of the 30% rule. I gotcha. That makes sense. Blacklight. He loves cheese pizza. What can I say? He has a particular taste. The second entry long does end up working out. Very nice. Very nice. It does come off the trend line, also 20 May. I mean, it's not the worst trade you could take. I just have some, I just had some issues with it. So I skipped it. It is what it is. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna take this big mama pretty heavy. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to your face. I'm taking this big mama. I'm gonna take it. I'll probably take at least 2 contracts. Actually, let's try like this. We do have news today, pandas. We had news that already passed, but we have upcoming news as well at 10 o'clock. Consumer confidence. I don't even know what the employment cost index is. Why would that move the markets in this way? The employment cost index. I had no idea what that news was, but market just opened, pandas. And it was enough to really move the markets down. So it is what it is. We do have news at 10, so pandas, we may have to wait till the news drops. But pandas, I'll say this right now. Tomorrow, we have about a week's worth of news in one single day. Tomorrow, 8:15, we have the ADP non-farm employment change. 9:45, final manufacturing PMI. 10 a.m., ISM manufacturing PMI. JOLTS job openings. 2 p.m., Fed funds rate. FOMC statement. 2:30 p.m., FOMC press conference. Can you believe it? Tomorrow. It's gonna be crazy tomorrow. That's all I can say. It's gonna be crazy. John Q, 10 years here and never passed an eval yet. It's a matter of when, not if, huh? Welcome to the stream. We're getting ready for Big Mama here. If I see a good setup, I'll take it as well. Bill 7, good morning. Welcome. Never give up. That's right. With a deal like Apex, it's worth it to try. In my opinion, it's worth it to try, even for a little bit. Even if you have ups and downs throughout the journey, I believe it's worth it to try, especially with something like Apex. It's virtually free money. They're letting you trade with free money virtually. Okay. Another push down. Interesting. I want a second entry, fail second entry long here. It looks very choppy to me. You got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 overlapping bars in a row, pandas. It's very confusing. I mean, you can trade these breakouts, but you gotta take good risk reward with them, and you gotta take them at like the best situations. YL, good morning, only pans. Only pans. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. We have news at 10 o'clock, pandas. We could be waiting for that. To be honest, we could be waiting for the news at 10. It could be a thing. We shall see, though. We shall see. Okay. Okay. Big push up. May try to fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. Right, the 5-minute chart, I only chart the regular trading hours, and it may try to fill the gap. Quite a big gap here. This huge drop yesterday just to reverse, simply reverse. That's crazy. That's crazy. A drop like this with no follow through, it just reverses back up. That's crazy. It's actually kind of crazy. It's actually sickening.
10,000 tick trap.
This looks a little bit choppy to me. I mean, it could be a trading range day. It could be trading range until news drops at 10. I'm just gonna wait for a setup though, Pandas. That's all I care about. Really, all that matters is your next trade, Pandas. The 10 years of experience of trading does not matter. It's all about just simply the next trade, the next setup. That's all that matters. This is upcoming news move. It's considered to be high impact, but consumer confidence. The fact that this already moved this much at 8:30, right? The 8:30. I did not expect the 8:30 news to really move the markets like this, but it did, and now I know. It was a weird news. It was
10,000
news
tick
that I really
trap.
don't see often. It was an employment cost index. Interesting. Employment cost index? I don't know. I wasn't gonna bank on that to try to make or break my accounts though. Let's just say that. It's tough to bank on that when you don't know what it is. I mean, I can understand it just by the name, but I did not think it would actually move the markets. And the fact that that already happened, I doubt that consumer confidence will really move the markets at 10. But nevertheless, we can still chop all the until then. The main reason why I think it's choppy is the 10,000 tick chart. If you take a look, it is just absolutely choppy here. Second entry short is forming though. Something like this, like a bear flag of some sort. Bear flags usually mean big push down, small pullback, consolidation, and then another push down. I don't know. Maybe I'll take it on a 10K chart. If it's a good risk reward, possibly. In the future, we'll have AI employee cost index. Maybe, actually. That's quite insightful. It's not even funny. That's actually kind of might be true. Sleepy Joe. Now, second entry short does trigger on the 10,000 tick. It's a bad signal bar. It's an outside bar actually on the entry bar. What I mean by that 10,000 tick, right here's your signal bar. It doesn't look good. And your trigger bar, your entry bar is an outside bar, right? You break to the top, then the bottom. Right? The whole previous bar is within the range of this trigger bar, entry bar. So the entry bar is outside bar. Right? The high of the entry bar is higher than the high of the previous bar, the signal bar. And the low of the entry bar is lower than the low of the previous bar or the signal bar. Sitting on my pause here though. Okay. My trap. It looks like a bull trap.
$10,000 tick trap.
Trap triggers on the 10K chart. He's looking to fill the gap. 10,000 tick chart also is in trading range. Believe it or not. Right, big trading range here. Double bottoms here. Big push down though. It is what it is. 5-minute chart. May try to fill the gap here. It's quite a bit of ways, but still. I've seen more credible things. Right now it's just choppy. I'm just sitting on my pause. Honestly, it doesn't feel good. Sleepy Joe in the house. Pandas. Has this market been kind to you? Honestly, it's been kind of crazy. It's been a bit crazy. Tomorrow you can put your request into for payouts, so that's a nice thing. For anyone who needs to get payouts, tomorrow is a day to start putting requests in. What else is what is a payout? It's just it's this mythical thing that apparently people claim that you can ask this company for money and then they give it to you. Peter Cho, welcome back. Where have you been? Where have you been? I'm sad. I don't see SW Blaze anymore. He was the oldest panda, and now he's gone. Hope he's doing well. Peter Cho's been been around for a while. Traveling the world. All right, that's a good place to be. Bill says, "Panda, you mean we're supposed to get paid?" Yeah, apparently. Apparently, like if you trade, you should be making money. I don't know. I've never heard of such a thing, but apparently it's so. I am from India. I have a question. Can you explain what is two-legged pullback and how to identify? You can see the playlist in the description. There is a two-legged pullback description. You gotta learn how to count legs. If you don't know how to count legs, then you won't be able to identify two-legged pullbacks. There's also a video to learn how to count legs. But essentially, it's when you get two pushes in the same direction. One push, first entry, second push, right? We call this we have an uptrend. We call this the first pullback. Then the first entry, right? The entry after the first pullback is called the first entry. Then the second pullback, right? When you have another push down the same direction before the pivot breaks the previous pivot high, which is here. Right? If this pivot broke this pivot high, then we have to recount this the count or reset the count. It looks like we really are trying to fill that gap, huh? 5 minutes, there's a gap up here. We're very close. I appreciate you guys are too sweet. Why you guys being so sweet? Come on. You don't have to say that. Come on. You're making me blush. You're making me blush. I appreciate. I love you guys too. Without you guys, I wouldn't be doing this. So I appreciate it. Panda loves Ronda Rousey. I don't know why Ronda Rousey keeps coming back into the picture. I've never mentioned this girl once. In fact, I'm opposite of attracted to Ronda Rousey. I'm repulsed by Ronda Rousey. It's not my thing. It's not my thing. I'm almost as repulsed by Ronda Rousey as I am of Zendaya. Okay, I take that back. Zendaya, I think, is more attractive than Ronda Rousey, but Zendaya is a 5 out of 10 for me. It's just, I just don't get it. Five out of 10. Zendaya, change my mind. Controversial. I don't know. I may get canceled for that, but whatever. I'm already in the shadow realm.
$10,000 tick trap.
Sometimes you need to look at the inside. Does she have a good personality or something? I don't even think her personality is like a good, like a superb personality. What is happening? We got news dropping in about 11 and a half minutes here. How do I chart this guy? This guy is all over the place. In my opinion. This doesn't look too bad. This could be a potential channel for what's happening right now. Okay. Second entry long here forming. Whoo. Okay, outside bar reversal. I don't know if I like it. Nah. Skip it. Skip it. In my mind, we kind of might as well fill this gap, though. The 5 minute chart might as well fill the gap. Like we're pretty much gonna do it. Might as well do it. Small base hit says second entry short on the daily. Yep. This is why I have these two contracts here waiting to break the previous day's low, because I would trigger the daily chart second entry short. Mentioned it the first thing on stream that we had to set up on the 20 MA. Good thing I skipped it. Skip it. So I hate outside bar reversals. Second entry long does trigger. Failed second entry long is enticing almost. Okay, second entry long here. Terrible signal bar off the 20 MA. Small risk though. And also for trend lines. So, I mean, yeah, it could do something. I think I'm more interested in the failed second entry long. But, I'll probably set him on pause until news at 10. I'm worried it'll just get very choppy here. It does trigger the second entry long. Yep, triggers. Now that it's triggered, let's see what happens. Terrible signal bar, like I said, but risk is small. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Okay. Welcome to the stream, Pan. It's 7 months of rocking and rolling. Let's keep it going. Appreciate the message. I'm gonna try it. You know, it's like the only thing I've got so far. I may even reverse. Hey, what are you doing? Nah. You know what? I'll take a trap. I'll take the failed trap here. If this triggers and traps, I'll take that. Just remember, news tomorrow is gonna be crazy, pandas. We got FOMC, we got the Fed funds rate, we got so much news tomorrow. We got JOLTS job openings. We got so much news tomorrow. Unfortunately though, pandas, today is the last day to use BBM for 80% off. If you want to know, join the Discord, and also members. I'll put a post up. Apex and I have a very special relationship, so sometimes, well, not sometimes, they always tell me where there's gonna be a promo.
10,000 tick trap.
Especially when one's about to end, they always let me know. And I like to give a little sneak peek to you guys. Apparently we're allowed to do so. I didn't think we were allowed to, but then all of a sudden Apex started doing it. And I asked Apex, can we give sneak peeks? And they said, sure. And I said, all right, I'm gonna give sneak peeks to my pandas now. I thought we weren't allowed to. But hey, if you want a sneak peek, if you want the sneak peeks, pandas, join the OnlyPans. Become a panda, or join the Discord, which is free. The trap does trigger, and it's a very small risk. I just didn't like the trend line being there. I didn't like the fact that we may need another push up on the 5-minute chart. Sorry, man, that just blew up your eardrums. My bad. I saw this failed trap. I was thinking about maybe taking it, but I'm gonna wait till news, which is in about 4 minutes. Sorry, I just blew up your eardrums. Usually when I clear my throat, or I cough, I have a cough button, basically puts me on mute, and sometimes I forget to turn it back on. But this time, when I went to clear my throat, I actually pressed the mute button, but I was already muted. Therefore, You are now deaf. You're welcome. You're welcome, pandas. You're welcome. Who wants to hear sound anyways these days? That's so year 2000 listening to sound. It's overrated. Alright, we got 4 pushes down here. I don't know, pandas. What? What did you say, Sonny? I mean, we got news 3 minutes, pandas. I don't know. If I enter a trade now, I'll probably be stuck in it until news drops. You gotta assume we're gonna fill the gap, right? You gotta assume we're gonna try to fill this gap. That's the assumption here. But who knows, pandas? Who knows? H4 setup here. It's not a bad setup to go long, to be honest. H4 setup. 2 minutes before news. $600 DD drawdown is so hard to trade. I'm trading one micro contract and it's giving me hard. Are you doing the static? Is that the static one? But it's static drawdown, so maybe not the worst. Oh, static funded, nice. Okay, I see why you're so stressed. Makes sense. $10 news is dropping consumer confidence. Okay. I don't know what's happening here. You're thinking one more push up. That's what I'm thinking, at least. I'm thinking one more push up here.
$10,000 tick trap. Five-minute trap.
Okay, here's that second push up. News just dropped. Okay. Makes sense. I thought that was going to happen. Maybe if fails like entry short, I'll be interested here. Fails like entry short, possibly be interested here. Okay, second entry short. And I need it to fail. With that failure, pandas, we will be in our first trade. Hooga booga. Hooga booga hooga booga. Gotta time this. There we go. We're in this trade. Here's my 1-to-1. Let's see what comes of it. Okay. That is not what I wanted. It's not necessarily what I wanted. I'm a little disappointed. Usually trap trades, a confirmation of a good trap trade is that it quickly scalps you out. This is not quick. This is... Ooh, that is quick. That's quick. I take it all back, pandas. I'm the best trader in the world. Oh my... Yeah. I'm the best trader in the world, pandas. I take it all back. Okay, what's going on? What? No. How don't you would not even dare. You would not even dare. After that push up, reverse on me like this. Whoa. What's happening, pandas? You would not even dare. We're looking for a 1-to-1, pandas. That's all we ask for. Is that too much to ask for, pandas? A 1-to-1? Come on. We're somehow still in this, pandas. Ooh. It's reversing a little bit on me. Ooh, I don't like that at all. I'm not going to lie. I'm a little disappointed. We had a nice push up and it like almost rocketed up to where I needed to go. And then it reversed on me. Ooh. Pandas. YL's correct. I'm about to call the police. I just got robbed. Broad daylight. Goodness gracious. Pandas. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? I thought I was the best trader in the world. It was about to... It started to explode to my target. I need a 1-to-1, pandas. I don't care. I don't care if I don't get the 1-to-1. I need to get a 1-to-1. That's just... It's the law. It's the law. I have to get it.
10,000 tick trap.
No, jeez. What did I do to you, market? Why you got to take it so personal? I'm just trying to scalp some Daryl dollars. That's all I'm trying to do. It doesn't even affect you, market. My Daryl dollars don't affect you. Okay. The fact that that didn't really work out makes me wonder what's going to happen here.
Five-minute trap.
It would. It would take me out and then go back up. It would do that, pandas. It would. It would. It would do that. Jeez. I mean, there's no way I'm like holding on to this. So if I see a strong bear bar like this, I'm out. I'm out. I'm fine with that at the end, but jeez. It sucks to see what happens afterwards, and it actually might work out now after it takes me out. If I took this trade, this is probably the swing risk here. Let's see if we can make a one-to-one the swing risk. These are worse than guessing the wrong direction. Yeah, I think so too. When you get stopped out and then it goes your way, that's probably a worse feeling than just entering the trade and then just is watching, you know, it just reverse on you. This market's about to put me to sleep. Jeez. I'll be right back. I mean, this makes sense too. I mean, we got huge news tomorrow, so market could be trading range day all day today, like it was yesterday. And it usually happens when there's big news, upcoming news that people are anticipating. So it doesn't surprise me, Pandas. Really, it doesn't actually surprise me. 'Alright, Pandas, what's going on here? Huh.
Five-minute trap.
Eh. The 5 minute trap. Second entry short. I like it if it
10,000
coincided
tick
with this
trap.
one too. On the 2000 tick chart. Five-minute second entry short about a trigger. I think I gotta leave it alone. It does trigger the second entry short. I gotta leave it alone though. I don't think I have enough confluence yet. 10,000 tick chart does not look good either. For it. The 5 minute trigger second entry short. 10,000 tick chart. It's been above the 20 MA the entire time, grinding up like this. It's hard to time, in my opinion. Very hard to time. This reversal here. It would be a reversal if we go down here. Remember, pandas, today is the last day for BBM 80% off. And it ends at 5 p.m. pandas. Actually, let me write that. Ends 5 p.m. So it's not even all day, pandas. It ends at 5 p.m. The second inch short does work out nicely on the 5-minute chart, which is what I wanted. It's just hard to tell. It's really hard to time that breakout. I wish this went one tick above here, triggering the fail second entry long. I would have taken it, but if we didn't trigger, we got a micro double top instead. You can only take what the market gives you, and it didn't give it to us. So pandas, we're letting it go. Q asks, what's next? Well, if you want to know what's next, join a Discord and also, or become a panda. I'll give you a sneak peek once we get information about the next promo. Does it make a 1-to-1? Reverses on us? No way. It doesn't make a 1-to-1, pandas. It gets very close, but doesn't quite get there, pandas. That's gonna trap some bears there. Some bears are trapped there for sure, in my opinion. Yeah, it's well. Just wait. Just wait. Be a little patient. Once I get the information, I'll let you know. Oh, this market's horrendous. Interesting. Huh. I don't know, Pan. This is going back and forth here.
5-minute trap.
Do I dare buy with a limit order here? Do I dare, pandas? Do I dare buy with a limit order here? Hugh says, did anyone watch Mac's video yesterday? It was hilarious. He was going on about some woman that emailed complaining about how much money her husband lost trading that it ruined their marriage. Interesting. It's actually kind of sad. I don't know. Why would Mac share that? That is so weird. That is so weird. Why would he share that? I don't know. Trade responsibly, pandas. Trade responsibly. Did the wife say anything about a panda? What is there to discuss? I mean, what did he talk? What did he say? I mean, what can you possibly say about that? It's tragic. Unless he started talking about a panda, how the husband was influenced by this panda. Don't be like this guy and his wife. Interesting. Probably quote a panda in his arguments. Did Max say, if you make a mistake, lean into it? If you lean hard enough, you'll end up on the other side? Did he mention anything about that? I hope not. This price action is trash. It's actually trash. This actually was born out of a dumpster.
5-minute trap.
The son of a trash. What in the world is happening right now, pandas? Look at this price action. What in the world is this? What's going on? I'm so bored. I'm gonna reload my historical. Avalon says 99% of gamblers give up before they win big. I hear a lot of, you might drop a limit order in there. You might take the trade. That's why I never give up, because you never want to be that 99%. You want to be that 1%. Always. There's actually this really funny YouTube channel that I follow. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I'm in a trade. I'm in a trade, pandas. What is going on? I'm in a limit order trade right now.
Target filled.
Pandas, I am the best trader that ever existed. Did you see that masterful limit order trade? Thanks to the trading range indicator. You're welcome, pandas. I just put it at the bottom of trading range indicator, and it just bounced right back up. That is amazing, pandas. Yep, that's it. We just made $100 scalp. I'll take it. I'll take it. Look at the 5-minute chart. I mean, we're just in a big triangle. $10,000 tick chart. Whoa. I love that. I mean, what is this, pandas? This is horrible. What is this? Look at all these spider legs. It's like you're caught in a web. I don't know what we need to defibrillate this market, but it needs to come back alive. Pronto. It's completely dead right now. I think really people are just waiting for tomorrow. Like tomorrow's FOMC. They are ready. They are ready for it. I mean, what I mean by ready, they basically know what's going to happen. But I think people are still going to eagerly wait, like especially the conference. Second entry long. Second entry long. Coming on up. It's today last one day pass, yes. But you need to pass it like before 5 p.m. I'm $25 off. Uh-oh. Let's not let that $25 be the reason why you bust your accounts. Goodness gracious. I don't know what's happening here, pandas. I'm just watching. I'm just a spectator just like you. This is just absolutely ridiculous. Wow, this P is so boring. Can someone do a giveaway? I'm maybe tomorrow. Maybe we'll do a giveaway tomorrow. We'll see. Or Friday. Let's see. Tomorrow's very short notice. Maybe we'll do a giveaway sometime soon. What was the last giveaway? It was like $100 or something. Where is Gilbert? I missed him. He was the goat, the panda goat. Virtually every single person became a panda because of him. Blacklight. Dropping a gifted membership to Emmanuel Martinez. I think he tried to give it to Hugh, but it didn't work. Thank you so much for that. I guess the same person can win multiple times. That's kind of crazy. Ooh, we're dropping now, Panda. Something's about to happen. We're about to drop. Like the bass is about to drop. At a dubstep concert. What is happening though? Can I get a piece of it? Ezra Chapman, can we ban Emmanuel? Just ban him because he wins too much. Whoa, pandas! Strong bear bar, ending on its low, 10,000 tick chart. Five-minute ending on its low. You're thinking follow through for sure. You're thinking some sort of follow through here. Ooh, it's getting close to triggering Big Mama. It mighty close to triggering Big Mama here. I don't like it. I mean, we got this huge move, no setup though. Just a big move down, but can't really get a piece of it without a setup. Blacklight, I appreciate the 2 gifted subs. Thank you so much. Wow. Wow. Okay. Can we get a piece of this? Is a question. That's all I want to know. I was long at the bottom of the range, but got the count. Let's go. Congratulations. Continue to push down here. We got Big Mama coming up. Ooh, we got Big Mama, huh? Interesting. Hanselino dual giveaway. The only way you can get our attention is if you do a giveaway. That's the only way you get our attention. I'm just a speculator. Whoa, I did not know you were a speculator. I had no idea. That's crazy. It's actually crazy. I never knew I was going to meet a speculator. What's going on here? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Okay. Sitting on my paws. It could be always in short on the 5-minute chart, possibly. Hanselino says, was just trying to help, but never mind. I think if you said a comment like, I hope I got your attention now, I don't think you're just trying to help. I think you're doing it for you. I think you're trying to get attention. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I'm just trying to read, not even be in between the lines. I'm just trying to read the lines straight up. Some people don't realize when they think they're helping others, they're just trying to help themselves. There's a story. It's about a king, and a man gave he was a farmer, like a lowly farmer. And in his admiration to the king, he gave the king the biggest carrot he has ever grown. And when he gave it to the king, he said, "This is the biggest carrot I've ever grown, and as my loyalty to you, I wanted to give it to you as a gift." And the king looked at the farmer, the lowly farmer, and discerned his heart and said, "Because of this, I will give you the kingdom's farm to start farming." And the farmer was super excited. But in the same room was one of the king's advisors. And the advisor said, if a farmer can give the king a carrot and receive all the kingdom's farms, I wonder what he could give me. So one day the advisor approached the same king and said, "Hey, king, I have brought to you the best, strongest, and fastest horse in all my stables. And as my loyalty to you, I will give you this horse." And the king looked at the advisor and discerned his heart. And the king said, "Thank you." The advisor was distraught, wondering what had happened. And the king turned to the advisor and said, "The farmer was giving me the carrot, but you were giving yourself the horse." I hope that makes sense to you, Hanselino. I hope that changed your life for the rest of your life. Hope you get it now. I hope you get it. You were giving yourself the advice. Worst joke I've ever heard. It's not a joke, but yeah, it is the worst joke you ever heard because yeah, yeah, let's just say that is the worst joke you probably ever heard. Avalon dropping 99 cents with the poopy icon. I appreciate it. Hey, just saying. I'm just saying. We got a slow market, you know? It might just been a teachable moment for someone in their self-awareness. Sometimes you gotta teach people that they're just not self-aware. All right. Do you know the Reddit? The what's the acronym? AITAH. The ATA. The Reddit. The AITAH. YL. $10. Paying Panda, stop telling boring stories. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. I'm gonna continue to tell boring stories so I can keep getting super chats. You guys, I don't know why I got so many super chats today. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I will continue to tell boring stories and terrible jokes. Apparently, it's the best. I'm making more money telling jokes than I am actually trading right now. Blacklight, $5. Hanselino, do a giveaway, lowly advisor. Jeez. Do something for once, for others. One day. Just one day, you'll get it. Hopefully. I make more money on boring markets because you guys than I do on trading. It's actually incredible. Thank you so much. I have the best community on YouTube verified. Hanselina, don't be so sensitive, man. Don't be so sensitive. Just take it in, and move forward. That's it. Don't be so sensitive. Welcome to the club. Welcome to the club where all the pandas are just jerks. We are coming back up here now. This was tough. I thought we had a chance to get an opportunity to go short here, but it never came up. Strong bull bar now on the 10,000 tick. Wow. I appreciate it. You guys are the best. Blacklight, I appreciate you guys, seriously. I don't know what's going on. We got $62. We're down 62. It is what it is, though, pandas. It just is what it is. It's just one of those days. Someone needs to do a giveaway Someone in this room needs to do a giveaway. Wink, wink. And it's not me. But someone needs to do it. $10,000 tick chart just shows more and more to be a triangle of some sorts. That's what it seems like, something like this right now. Wow, I'm down 51 today. Can you give me my $10 back? Only for a giveaway. Alright, hey, Friday. Friday, we'll try to do a giveaway. We'll do a giveaway. Actually, Friday. Am I here on Friday? Yes, I'll be here on Friday. I know. Where is Manuel at? Is he even here? He's actually one of my bots. You guys are just giving giveaways to my bots. Actually, that's kind of sad. If a channel has like a lot of bots, and you start doing good giveaways, and the bots become members, it's kind of sad. They're not even real human beings behind those memberships. I'm curious to see what happens with this triangle here. I was like literally like, I was like literally like nodding off. Yeah, this market was just so slow, so boring. Is it this or this? I don't know. We'll find out. He's gonna be like a lifetime membership soon. You're like a lifetime member. Emmanuel just wins a bunch of giveaways or the membership gifted memberships. Huh. Should I take a reversal off the top of this triangle? Should I just try? Nah, I don't think so. It's a bear trap right now, right? The 5-minute strong bear bar, you need follow through with this. Otherwise, you're trapped as a bear. And I think that's exactly what's happening. I think you're trapped as a bear right now. Quite incredible. I didn't think this would hit, but... Whoa, you hit a 1 to 2 on this second entry short on the 5-minute chart. Goodness gracious, you hit a 1 to 2. Okay. Okay. Pushing up here. Just saying right, it's been a while. Welcome back. Blacklight, we'll see you tomorrow. Remember, tomorrow, big FOMC day tomorrow. It's going to be crazy. It's going to be crazy. You start when actually, nowadays, actually a good time to trade after my stream. It seems like the opening session is very terrible usually. All right, pandas. I don't think we got much more from this. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Remember, today's the last day. Ends at 5 p.m. to use code BBM for 80% off with Apex evals and also 1 day to pass. Take advantage of it while it lasts. Make sure you join the Discord or become a panda to get a little sneak peek on the next promo with Apex. Hope you guys are following. And also tomorrow, remember, there's big news tomorrow. Big news. And we'll be there for some of it during stream, but for the most part, it will be during off stream. 8:15 a.m. ADP non-farm employment change. 9:45 a.m. final manufacturing PMI. 10 a.m. ISM manufacturing PMI. JOLTS job openings. 2 p.m. Fed funds rate and FOMC statement. 2:30 p.m. FOMC press conference. Tomorrow you have a week's worth of news in one single day. Please mark your calendars. Pandas. With that being said, stay safe, lowly farmers. I'm not saying all farmers are lowly. I'm just saying this particular farmer was a lowly farmer. All right, pandas. I'll see you guys. Hope to see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for joining. You guys are the best. Best community on YouTube, verified. Pandas. Stay safe, everyone. Trade safe. And with that being said, pandas, as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.